Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a public profile on Snapchat. First, you need to ensure your account is eligible. This means being at least 18 years old and having an account that is at least 24 hours old. You also need at least one mutual friend. These initial steps are crucial for unlocking the public profile option and sharing your content more broadly with the Snapchat community. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, setting up your public profile is straightforward. Head to your profile screen by tapping your Bitmoji. Scroll down until you see the public profile section, and below that, you should find the Create Public Profile option. Tap this, then follow the simple on-screen instructions to confirm and activate your new public presence. It only takes a few moments. Now that your public profile is active, it is time to personalize it. Craft a concise and engaging bio that tells viewers what your content is about. Choose a clear profile picture that reflects your brand or personality. You can also select up to 4 of your favorite snaps or stories to feature prominently, giving new visitors a quick glimpse into your best work. Make it inviting. To truly grow your public profile, consistency is key. Post engaging and original content regularly to keep your audience interested. Actively interact with your viewers by responding to comments and questions, fostering a sense of community. Don't forget to share your unique public profile link across other social media platforms to attract new followers. Building a strong presence takes time and dedication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.